this video, we are going to show you how to cancel your Shopify trial. Now, if you want to cancel your Shopify trial for any reason, it's actually not that hard. So you need to be logged into your Shopify account where the trial is activated or is active, and you're going to be here on your admin dashboard. What you want to do is click on the settings option on the lower left corner of the screen like so. Once you're in your settings, I want you to look at this main menu here, and it's going to be under plan, right? So click on plan. As you can see here, less than a day remaining on our trial period. So you can either choose a plan or cancel. For this video, we want cancel. So click on cancel like so. And as you can see, they're gonna give you a pop-up where cancel a plan if you made a mistake or start a new store. So just click on cancel plan, which is you're gonna close your store and they'll keep the data for 2 years for easy reactivation if you so decide to reactivate your store. And just follow the steps. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. And after that, the trial for this specific Shopify store will be canceled and deactivated. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.